Welcome back, all you fantastic Austroflamm and RIKA individuals. How are you doing? Whew. As you can see, it's a glorious day here in Texas today. And today's video is totally off track. I use several methods of business strategies and information in order to try to get as much as our information and content out as I possibly can, because these big players out there that are in our industry spend big dollars in order to get put on the front page whenever it's typed into a AI platform or search engine. So basically, first off, I hope you guys are all doing well. I apologize that we haven't put too many videos on because, as you can see, it is our harvesting time. That's what's not actually harvesting yet, but it's our homesteading time. In the off season, we grow and we can and we dehydrate and we freeze dry and put away as much food as we possibly can, especially in this day and age with all the craziness that's going on, right? I'm sure a lot of you out there are going, yeah, I hear you, Scott. But, you know, I still try to put at least 1 or 2 videos on a month for y'all. But if you get this and you begin to watch it, please understand that this is me asking all of you followers out there that are so loyal, that basically has become friends and really good acquaintances with Julie and I over the years. And what we have going on right now is we are becoming creators. What a creator is we generate music and videos for the masses, okay? Mainly for commercial, to where people can call us up and say, hey, look, I need an audio track for this product or for this situation. And Julie and I finally took it serious after we've been told by many individuals that, you know, our music generation and our audio tracks is definitely creating interest out there, and I don't have them out spread out hardly at all, that I finally just started putting them on our Tornado Alley homesteading channel, and I created a homesteading song file. So if you go to Tornado Alley Homesteaders, you're gonna see songs and videos. Click on that and you'll be able to see, I don't know, I think I have a dozen or roughly on there right now since I decided to upload. But I have files and songs that I've been creating for some time, and I've ran them by friends and family and so forth, and they're just like, you know what, Scott, you seriously need to do something with that song. So as you guys know, and if you followed us long enough, you know that my ADHD has me doing 15 different things at the same time, right? And I have a hard time following through and finishing all of them. But hey, you know what? I'm trying to stay young, trying to stay busy, trying to keep the mind active. And these songs that you're going to hear are rock, you're going to hear country, you're going to hear jazz, you're going to hear gospel rock, you're going to hear a mixture of gospel rock, jazz, rockabilly. And you know what I'm asking from y'all is hop over there, you know, give us a follow. You'll be able to see what we're doing on our tornado shipping container home. And I haven't put a video up on that in some time, because we have been trying to turn our homestead here into a supermarket of goods, due to the fact that, you know, many of you don't already know or have figured it out, there's going to be some food shortages. Costs of living's going to start going up. Everything's getting crazy. So we're just trying to make sure that our, you know, food stores and our pantries and so forth are dialed in to where, you know, we don't have to worry about it. So anyhow, what I'm asking is, give us a follow. Give us a thumbs up on this particular video too, if you wouldn't mind, please, because the YouTube analytics will take this off-grid stoves and more video, and the more likes and shares that you all can, you know, do me a favor and click on, it's going to help the video get out there to where the platforms and the search engines are going to find it. I hope you're all having a good beginning of summer, and I hope that everything's going well for all of you. Julie and I wish you all the best, and we ask you to, you know, if by chance you started having any issues with your Austroflamm or your RIKA last season, don't wait until busy season. We've done a lot of cross marketing and so forth to where we're expecting our sales and our business to triple this coming season of 2026, and we're having to actually invest more into inventory and manufacturing and so forth in order to prepare. So we're asking you that if by chance you have something that's possibly a little quirky with your stove, go ahead and write me. I check Off-Grid's email once a day. Don't check it, you know, hourly like I do in busy season. And if you're on there and you have a question about what your stove was doing, or if you need any parts or advice, go ahead and shoot me an email at offgridstoves@gmail.com. And make sure that your stove and your chimney, excuse me, a bug, are cleaned and serviced before you have to fire it up in that first cold morning in fall. Okay, think ahead, plan ahead. You know, you don't want to tick off mama and go to hit that on button on that first nipply day and all of a sudden your stove doesn't fire up. Okay, so again, Julie and I thank you for all of your support, and we look forward to serving all of you. If you have any questions, any issues, or you need anything in regards to Austroflamm, RIKA, maybe even wood stoves or cook ovens or chimney pipe or whatever in the hearth industry, we're here for you. And because you're loyal followers, we guarantee you the lowest price on anything that you're looking for in the hearth industry. You guys stay safe out there. Peace.